Welcome to my channel. Today, we will crochet a cute little flower branch together. The pattern is very simple, even beginners can easily follow along. Are you ready? Let's get started together now. Use the white yarn. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, crochet 5 double crochets into the first chain. We only yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops on the hook. Continue working the remaining double crochet stitches. After completing 5 double crochet stitches, you should have 6 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook. Chain for stitches. Skip 3 stitches, crochet 5 double crochets into the 4th chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Cut the yarn. So the flower bud is now complete. Depending on your preference, you can crochet 5 buds for 1 branch. Use the green yarn to make the leaf. Start with a slip knot. Chain 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Use floral wire to shape the leaf. Row 1, skip the first chain, crochet 1 single crochet into the second chain. Chain 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip the first chain, crochet 7 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crochet 1 single crochet into the last stitch. That completes the first row. Crochet 1 single crochet into the next stitch to begin row 2. Chain 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Skip the first stitch, then crochet 6 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally, crochet 1 single crochet to complete row 2. Crochet 1 single crochet into the next stitch to start row 3. Row 3 is the same as row 2. Chain 7 stitches. Skip the first stitch, then crochet 6 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make 1 single crochet into the last stitch to finish row 3. Make 1 single crochet into the next stitch to start row 4. Chain 6 stitches. Skip the first stitch, then make 5 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 single crochet into the last stitch to finish row 4. Make 1 single crochet into the next stitch to start row 5. Chain 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip the first stitch, then make for slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 single crochet into the last stitch to finish row 5. From row 6 to row 8, we crochet the same way. Crochet 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Chain for stitches. Skip the first stitch, crochet 3 slip stitches. Crochet 1 single crochet into the last stitch to finish the row. Rows 7 and 8 are crocheted the same as row 6. After finishing row 8, crochet 1 single crochet into the next stitch to start row 9. Chain 3 stitches. Skip the first stitch, crochet to slip stitches. Crochet a single crochet into the last stitch, and that completes half of the leaf. The other half, we crochet the same way as the first half, following the pattern shown on the screen. After finishing row 17, slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round. Cut the yarn. We will crochet 2 identical leaves. Use a short piece of wire and green yarn to wrap the flower stem. Use hot glue to attach the stem securely to the flower bud. Use a 30 centimeters piece of floral wire and green yarn to wrap and secure the flower, leaves, and stem together. Use pink blush to decorate the flower for a more vibrant look. That means our flower branch is now complete.